Every single moment is a seed. I want to consider this. Every single present moment is a seed. Any project that you begin, it's contained in the first step, the first moment. And it's seeded with specific forces in that moment. Think about DNA. Every cell of our body contains the map of the whole in its DNA, right? So it's all in there. Everything is, it just has these very specific instructions in that cell that relate to that cell. Specific forces, specific instructions. Every little iota is a seed. It's the same with us. It's the same with nature. We're also a seed or an egg. And sometimes outside forces come and they rupture the wall, and they shape us. But the blueprint underneath is unchanged. You haven't changed us a bit. Even what happens on the outside, the essence hasn't changed. The essence never changes. The outside changes. Our psychology, our ideology, that may change. So the Indians have this concept called Dharma. And Dharma relates to the seed. It's encoded in every present moment. And karma is when the seed opens up. And it's what we plant in each moment. What we sow in every living moment. Every thought, every act, every word is a seed. And it then grows and goes out into the universe and comes back in some way. And every moment that we're alive, we're also living in a moment that has grown from the past. And we're transmuting the seed of the past all the time. Whether it was trauma, whether it was good, whatever it was, we're transmuting the seeds of the past that we have sown. So in every moment, we have the opportunity to completely reset our future. Or not. Just to keep it, to maintain it through our behavior patterns, same future. Think about the universe. This idea that the universe was compressed into a tiny space at the beginning of the universe. This theory from physics. Everything's compressed into this tiny, tiny space. That space is a seed. In the universe, in that seed, is the entire universe, just waiting like an acorn with an oak tree hidden inside it. You can also apply the same theory to time. If you're going to apply it to space, you have to apply it to time. So time is condensed in the beginning because time and space are intricately linked, and the time is encoded in every single moment. So time is also fractal in the same way as space is fractal. And this is where it comes to time has to be geometric. So in every single moment is contained a seed that's specific instructions and specific forces. This is the insight of astrology, actually. That inside every specific moment, the moment of your birth is a seed in which there are specific instructions, specific forces that will lead to the Dharma is encoded in there, will lead to a certain life. And then the karma is the thing that decides, what shape's it going to look like? But the seed is there always in the present moment. And of course, that's the great insight, that the present moment is the seed of the future. And, if we really, truly understood that as a species, what a different world we'd create. If we really understood, it's not just, our life is not just, it doesn't just end at death, but it continues on And then on and on and on and on, and all these seeds are growing, and that, you know, like our children, our grandchildren, and we're inside them as well. You know, that's something to consider. The seed of the present. Really think about every seed that you sow in your life, and every thought and every word, and what you do, what you decide, the decisions you make, you know, how you speak to people, how you think of people. Every single one of those things is a seed that you're dropping in the universe, and every single one of those moments will sprout. So think of all those moments sprouting, you know, into trees, and then growing. And this, you know, what have you sown? You know, is it a beautiful orchard full of fruit trees? Is it lots of thorny brambles that just kind of tangle each other and you can't get through it? What are you sowing in your life, in every present